Okay, welcome to the very first video of a 30-day challenge that I am doing, showing you how to start your own website design business. My name is Marshall Malaba, and I'm going to be taking you through this challenge. By the end of this video and the end of this challenge, you're going to get clarity on how to actually start your own website design business. Even if you're someone who has never done website designing before, you don't need to have experience coding, you don't need to have years of experience working in a website design business. But I'm going to show you how to do it using this platform, which is called Creator HQ, which will enable us to be able to build websites within minutes. So not only are you going to learn how to build websites using Creator HQ, but you're also going to learn the whole business structure or how to actually set up the business so that you'll be able to have clients coming in, reaching out to you to ask you to build websites for them. And then you can charge them as much as you want. So the whole idea is to get you started as quick as possible. So I'm going to be dropping these videos day after day, just basically showing you how to get it done. So first thing is we're going to be using Creator HQ as what's called a no-code website builder. In other words, you don't have to code, you don't have to be someone with technical expertise with website design, but you're going to be just using templates. So if you're not yet signed up for Creator HQ, I'm going to put a link below this video for you to go and sign up for Creator HQ, or you can just go to the website link. This is it right here. And you're just going to sign up. The way that we will be working is that we're going to be using templates. If you come here where it says templates, you'll be able to see all these different templates that we have created for you that allows you to build websites for different types of businesses in just a couple of minutes. For example, you just scroll through all these and see the different templates that are there. But let's say maybe I want to work on a certain type of business. I can just click on business there, and then I'll see all the business types of websites. But let's say maybe I want to maybe work on a real estate, or no, let's start off with maybe a restaurant, right? I can just click on restaurant there, and then it will show me different templates that I can use for restaurants. Like this one kind of looks nice. If I can just click on view there, it's going to show me what the website will potentially look like once I have finished designing it. So as you can see, this is actually what someone's website will look like once you have finished designing this. You can see it's totally amazing. It's looking nice. The food is looking good. In fact, it's just getting me hungry, and I actually want to just start. Maybe I just want to order something and just eat. So you don't have to figure out how to make all this. All you just simply do is click the template, and then you're going to click here where it says start with this theme, just like that. And then it's going to take you to another page where it's going to ask you to enter your name, your email address, and then you're going to create a password. Click here where it says I'm not a robot, and then you're going to click on submit, right? Once you have done that, it's going to take you into the members area where you can start working on the website, and it's going to look like something like this. Well, this is another one that I'd already opened up. As you can see, this one is for a fitness yoga website. So once you are in, you'll be able to come in and you'll be able to make changes. For example, where it says fitness, yoga, and exercises, I just highlighted that, but then I can then start editing and changing everything that is here. I can say something like, this is my new website. Can you see how easy it is to actually just start typing in there and start changing things? Let's say, for example, this color is green and I don't like this color. This is a button that's there for people to enroll now. All I just have to do is click on that button, right? Click here where there's this edit styling paintbrush. And then as you can see, I can immediately just choose the color that I want. For button color, I can just click on the color there and choose from the colors that are there. I'll just maybe go for gold. I'm going to click out the border color. As you can see, there's a bit of green there. I can click on that green, and if I don't want a color, I'll just click on this one where there's no color. As you can see, it's now just simply gold there. If I want to change the text in there, I'll just click here where it says text style. Click on change, and then I want to make the text bigger, so I'm going to just make it bold, and then I'm just going to maybe make it a bit larger. As you can see, it's 22 there. If I want to change the font style, I'll just click on Arial. And then if I want to change the color, I'll click here where it says button text color. And then I'll just maybe go for black so that it's more clean and more clear. And that's what it looks like now. Just click back here, and you see this is what it's going to look like for the finally. So that's how simple and easy it is to change everything on this website. Once you have finished making the changes that you want, there's going to be a button. Maybe see if I can minimize here. there's going to be a button where it says save to the top right of your screen. So you're just going to click on save, and then everything that you have just changed is automatically saved. And so rather than just bring a complete tutorial of everything that you need to then go ahead and do in the rest of the website, this is more of an introduction. And so I just don't want it to be too long. But what I just want to say to you next is that if you come here to the top, you'll notice where it says Academy. If you click on Academy, you're going to get a series of videos that will teach you everything that you need to know about website design using this platform. For example, how to create a website. There's 12 videos here that you can watch that will explain everything that you need to know step by step, right? There's going to be how to create funnels. There's going to be how to create emails and automations. And I'm going to go through all this stuff in the next couple of videos. But this is just an introduction to get you started. And if you're someone who's a fast learner, you can go ahead and you can just jump into these other tutorials and watch them and learn how to build a website. But now back to this 30-day challenge that we are doing. So that's the quick overview of how Creator HQ actually works. If you have got an account with Creator HQ already, all you need to simply do is just go to the Creator HQ website, and you will notice that just to go back there, you will notice at the top, there's this option for you to click on login. If you click on login, you're going to enter your email address and your password, and then you'll be able to get back to the website that you were building, right? And then you can start working on it. So that's how you can easily just get back to it and start working on everything that I'm showing you here. But in terms of like the next steps that you need to take, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to pick a niche. A niche talks about what types of businesses do you want to help, right? You don't want to just focus on helping every type of business, but you want to focus on helping certain types of businesses. Because if you focus on one category of business, you then become an expert or someone who knows how to help those types of businesses get certain results, right? So you notice here there are some niches. For example, there's coaching, there's consulting, there's fashion, there's personal, there's photography, there's real estate. There are many other niches that you can also look out for and try and target. So what I'm going to recommend that you do is that you're going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to be one of the tools that's going to help us to build websites in a short space of time, because you need to know what to write on websites, and ChatGPT will help you to do that. So ChatGPT, you can create a free account. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Just type in ChatGPT on Google, search for it, create a free account. It's going to look like something like this, or it might just be a bit looking different because I've put a few add-ons here. But basically, you're going to have this task bar here where it allows you to type in anything. So I'm just going to type in and say, I want you to give me ideas of the best niches to focus on in my new website design business, right? You don't have to write in caps. It's just me who forgot to remove the caps lock there. But you're going to type in something like this, right? And then you're basically asking ChatGPT to give you examples of niches that you can focus on so that you can create websites for them. And as you can see, it's starting to type and show me all the different types of niches. All you need to do is just do what I showed you there. And then you go through all these different ideas and choose the ones that maybe you find the most interest in, or the ones that perhaps maybe you've got a bit of background knowledge with. And then that's the niche that you're going to be focusing on, right? This is how simple and easy it is for you to pick a niche. And listen, there's no $1 million niche. There's no niche which is better than the next niche. There's just some niches that are more complicated. For example, e-commerce. If you're going to be going into e-commerce, it means that you need to be able to build websites that are very complicated. We don't want to focus on that for now. If you're an advanced person, you can get into that. But for now, you want to just look for something that's plain, simple, and easy to do. And the more you focus on one niche, I'm going to help you to become that expert in that particular niche. So ChatGPT has already given us some ideas. So what you then need to do is your job then is to go ahead and create a website for your business, right? And your business is going to be focused on that niche which you chose. For example, if I'm saying that I'm going to be focusing on real estate, I'm going to create a website which is targeted at real estate agents or real estate companies, helping them to build websites for them, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy that where it says real estate. I'm going to come back to ChatGPT again. I'm already in ChatGPT. I'm going to type in and say, I want you to give me name ideas for a website design business that focuses on, and then I'm just going to paste real estate there, right? And then it's going to give me different ideas of websites that I can come up with, or business names that I can come up with. For example, real estate web works, property pixel, realty sitecraft, homefront web design, estate ease designs. So all these are different website design names. What you're going to do is that it's going to give you different ones from the ones that I've done here, but you just simply choose a name that you like, right? A name that makes sense to you. You don't even have to do this. If you want, you can just simply use your own name and call it Malaba Web Design. That's my surname, right? And that's the word web design that I've put together. In fact, that way it would be better if later on, when you're now an advanced website design agency, you'll be able to do different types of websites for different types of companies. But the reason why we're saying focus on maybe one niche for now is because people would rather trust someone who specializes in something than someone who does everything, right? So you're going to come up with your name for your company. There is no best name, right? You're just simply choosing a name and you move on to the next step. Once you come up with the name, for example, let's just say that, which one am I going to take? Realty Web Pros, right? Let's say that that's the name that I've chosen. The next step that you're going to do is that you're going to create your website, or you're going to focus on building your homepage. And I'm going to put a link for you to access this document. Within this document, you'll see this one here, which is called the homepage outline. And what you need to do is that you need to build your website using the following outline. For example, there's a header, there's a hero section, there's a services overview. I'll just go through all that right now. But you're going to be basically using this outline to create your website. So what I want to teach you to do is that you want to master building your own website and see and feel how the process actually is of building a website. And then after you've mastered your own website, you will then find it easy to go ahead and start building websites for other people. Let me tell you, this is super easy. It's not complicated. The only way that you will fail to do this is if you just don't want to try. Within a few days, you'll be able to finish your own website. Within a week, you'll be able to start getting your first clients. And that's what I want to try and push us to do. So you're going to be basically following this outline. So where it says like headline, right? Just to show you on the Creator HQ website itself, this format is basically following how you structure a website like this, right? So like at the top, there's the headline or the hero section. This outline is basically telling you what you need to do, right? There is the header. First of all, there is a logo. This is where you're going to put your logo. You can get one designed by a graphic designer, or you can simply type your name there. Like if I wanted to come back to where we were on that website before, and then I look for where there's the logo. Can you see where it's the logo there? I'm just going to simply click on those, on that mechanic thingy there, that wheel there, and then I can come in here and change the logo. If I'm going to be running with, what name did I say I'm going to be using? I think I copied it. Can you see I just pasted it in there? And then I just remove this. Realty Web Pros. And then if I want to put a definition of what we do, I'll put it under there, or I can just delete that if I want. But I'm just trying to show you how simple it is to edit that. So I'm just going to be following this outline. There's a logo. I put the logo. There's a navigation menu. The navigation menu is already created for me. This is the navigation menu here. We'll probably change this based on what exactly you want to offer on your website design. But for now, depending on which template you use, it's already there for you, and you'll be able to change it. If you watch those tutorials where I showed you where to get tutorials in the academy, it will show you how to actually change that. From the navigation menu, I move on to the call to action button, right? You can have a call to action button like this one. This one says book an appointment, or you can put something like chat with us on WhatsApp, right? Anything that is just getting people to interact with you and maybe reach out for more details, but just basically just to contact you, right? You go into the next part, the hero section. Hero section simply means the top part of any website, like this part here that you see here, that I'm hovering over with my mouse. This is what's called the hero section. It's that part that appears at the top of any website, right? It tells you what to put on the hero section. Headline, a powerful statement that captures the essence of your services, e.g., crafting beautiful and functional websites. So now, if you don't know what to write, what you will do is that you are going to copy this, right? And go back to our favorite tool, our favorite friend, ChatGPT, and paste that. Then you say something like, I'm going to edit this and say, I want you to write for me a powerful statement that captures the essence of our services. I'm then going to delete this part. At the website design company called, and then remember the name that you chose. I've forgotten which one it was. I think it was Realty Web Solutions, right? And then I'm just going to paste this. I'm going to also add this. I want to write for me a powerful statement that captures the essence of our services at the website design company called Realty Solutions. Full stop. I will use this in the hero section. I'm just going to paste that. Oh, sorry about that. Here it is. It's now starting to write. Can you see? Transforming real estate visions into digital reality at Realty Web Solutions. We specialize in crafting stunning, blah, 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 blah. If I like what the statement is, I can just simply highlight it and copy it. Or if I don't like it, I can just come here and say, make it shorter and simpler. And then what it's going to do is going to rewrite it again. Can you see? It's now written the statement for me. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to come to my website here. And then I'm going to paste that information here, right? In my heroes section. So what I'm just trying to show you is that here is that you just need to follow the outline, right? Follow the outline of that's in this document, and then you will know what to write on the whole of your website. So you're going to be following this outline and setting up all these different layers to your website until you've got a complete website. You start off with the templates, but then you change the templates until it becomes like exactly what you are looking for your own website. But remember, we've got a Facebook group where you can actually go in there and ask me questions. Feel free to jump in there if you get stuck, or maybe just leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will just do my best to answer all the questions that you have. The whole idea is for you to start practicing and working on creating your own website. So you're going to create your website using the homepage outline. Just go through everything here. Make sure that you add all the details there. If there's something that maybe you don't have, right? For example, there's somewhere where it talks about testimonials. You can leave that part out for now. But you can have a portfolio showing this different work that you have done. And in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to actually set up your own portfolio, right? Your portfolio, even if you've never done website design before. So make sure that you check out that video next, coming up in the next video tomorrow. But basically, you follow the outline, right? And then once you are done, you're going to have a complete website. There's nothing that you cannot figure out without using ChatGPT, without using Creator HQ, the tutorials that are there for you to use for free, and also you commenting and asking in the group. So I'm going to stop this video for here today, but make sure that you check out the next video tomorrow that will show you more and more about how to build your own website design business.